Now, before I move into After Effects, I want to show how to install the plugin that we need to import our Mocha camera solve. So we grab this Mocha 3D importer file, and then we want to go to Program Files, Adobe, After Effects, Support Files, Plugins, Effects, and then just paste it. Continue. Alright, so we have our plugin in the proper directory where After Effects can find it. Now let's bring in our clip, and then create composition. Alright, now we can wait. Yes, this happened to me before. In order to paste Mocha camera, you can see it's grayed out. Well, since I copied that file, the plugin, right now our clipboard has that file in it instead of our Mocha camera data, so we can't paste it when we haven't copied it. So I have it right here. Control A, Control C. Alright, close, and now we can paste it right in. Alright, we have a whole bunch of nulls in here. I mean, whole bunch. Haha. So every planar track that we have in Mocha has 5 nulls attached to it. 1 for each corner and 1 in the center. So there's our SUV, semi, blah blah blah. Okay. So now let's just create a new text object. We'll call it Mocha. Make this a 3D layer so we can make it a 3D text object. Okay, now it's 3D, we can't actually see it. And we'll probably be switching views quite a bit in this. Alright. Somewhere around there. Then while we're in this, let's create a solid. Make a white solid, even though it doesn't really matter. And right now, there's no material options for this solid, which is what we need. let's call it shadow catcher. Now, one thing that we can see is that Mocha hasn't exactly set up a really nice ground plane for us. These are all supposed to be on the same, completely level, and they're not. So we'll just adjust our After Effects objects to kind of match the angle and the plane that these are on. Make this 3D. And then of course we get all of our settings. Let's actually change these options, make it a little faster. We also need to rotate this. And I found that if we adjust the angle by about 2.5 degrees, that should work. Not correct. Drag this down some more. Let's hit caps lock again. Now let's go down to our material options. Material options. Accept shells on. Yeah, don't need to change that. Nope. Oh yes. It says accept shells. We do not want it set to on. We actually want it to set to only, and it disappears. Cool. So now we should have only our shadows appearing once we have shadows. So let's add a couple of lights in here. Add a spot. And add an ambient light. Spot ambient. Right. Let's just give this a little bluish color. That's good. Just a faint blue. Then this. Got shells set to on. Turn that down. Then let's switch into top. This should approximately match our light direction. It's mostly from the side and a little bit from behind camera. we'll grab this and put it like there. Alright. Going to the left. I don't really see any shadows right now, but that's probably just because of the angle. All of our settings are approximately correct. So let's dial this down. Okay, there's our 3D text object. Give it a little more bevel. And I don't like it being so specular, so I'll turn that down. Looks better. Turn off the diffuse. and give it some reflections. Yeah. So now After Effects is faking some reflections from the ground. And then you can set the roll off. And let's make this a little bit transparent. So now it's like glass. I may be wrong about that index of refraction number. Not too sure. But a little bit more, maybe. And it's pretty noisy right now just because of what our ray tracing quality is set at.